Horses out, we have My Cup of Tea, fast to begin, moving a party outside the Storm, Instant, Danori inside Forevermore, then followed by Paminsan Minsan, then comes Sky, Aquino Gold Money, Premier Edition, Natoy, Poras Gobelis, Jenny's Touch, then on the outside comes Twining Honor, Spitfire, and Matikas in that order, into the turn they go. We've got Instant running by My Cup of Tea, is Stormari outside, Instant in third, alongside Port comes Paminsan Minsan, Premier Edition now moving up to take Pipa, then comes Sky, Aquino, Forevermore, Gobilis, Danori inside a Toy Poras, Gold Money, Jenny's Touch, Twining Honor, is Spitfire and Matigas, and it's still Storm by about 2 lengths, My Cup of Tea still in second, Danori outside, Paminsan Minsan, Premier Edition joining them on the outside, Kay Aquino is Storm by a length, My Cup of Tea in second, moving up on the outside now is Kay Aquino. We've got Storm, Kay Aquino moving up on the outside second as they come down at the last 200, and it's still is Storm, Kay Aquino on the outside, moving up Premier Edition is Storm, Kay Aquino, Premier Edition, My Cup of Tea, but it's still is Storm by a length and a half, and in second is Kay Aquino, Premier Edition, and finally Storm, Kay Aquino, Premier Edition, My Cup of Tea. Then comes Instant.
Ay, kasi nandun